Alrighty guys, it's Friday. Quick update. Yesterday I came back. It's been really warm this spring. And yesterday I think it was 87. It was supposed to be a little hotter today. Like I said, I took the hot huts off because I think it was just getting straight up too hot. The 1718 Sejas is the biggest plant, and it did not like the heat yesterday at all. And I think it's just because it's a big plant. It was a massive plant with a pretty bound up root structure, and I thought it was dead. But thank God, because even last night at like 8 o'clock as it was getting dark when I got home, I came out and looked at it. It still looked like some droopy celery or something. But definitely some of the leaves are burned, but it will live. So my emergency fix is I put my garden hose on a little oscillating sprinkler, and that's going to go off. It's doing exactly what it's going to do. It does this for about 15 seconds. So it'll do that every 2 minutes for 15 seconds just to cool the plants off, give them a little water. That might be a little too much water, but at this point I'd rather have a little too much water than not enough water, because I want them to survive. And then on Monday, my next day off is Monday for quite a while actually. So Monday I'll get in here and I'll set up my normal kind of misting system. But until then, I set up my #1 fan to blow across the plants to keep this side cool. Those plants over there handle the heat much better. You can see there's a little bit of burn on this leaf. These leaves over here, those are probably, I'm not going to say they're a total loss, but in a day or 3 they'll be quite crunchy. So I'm just waiting for my timer to go off again. I have it set at 1 minute intervals right now just because I wanted to see how it was going to look. I'm looking at the water pattern over here. So it actually shoots over there, but the ricochet gets these, and then it's triangulated so that the actual sprinkle gets over there. So I'm happy with that. That will work today. Precautions and issues that you have to deal with when you're growing in Colorado. When week and a half ago it was snowing, now we're getting into 90 degrees during the day, and yeah, always something. I haven't looked at these yet. Let's take a gander. So the 2043 Clemences look pretty good. There's one leaf right there that is full on roasty, but the tip's okay, so I'm fine with losing one leaf. I mean, not that I would want to, but I don't have a say in the matter, so I'm going to get out of the sprinkler's way, watch it one last time, and then I got to go to work. This actually was Emily's idea. I was trying to overcomplicate it, and she's like, just use one of those damn sprinklers. I can't do that, that won't work. And then when she left, that's what I did. So, yeah, that'll work. That'll work for today. Cool. All right, off to work. Have a good one, guys.